Family, how you doing? Listen, I just want to talk to you about leaky gut. Yes, I know I talk about leaky gut all the time, but it's been a while, but I just want to reiterate some things. Look at your screen. If you have any problems with these signs, and these are signs of leaky gut. If you feel like you got brain fog, mood issues, you find a lot of skin issues, developing asthma, anxiety, difficult concentration, weight gain, GI issues, food tolerances, allergies, autoimmune diseases, hormonal imbalances. You got leaky gut. And I know you really don't want to think about it, but you have leaky gut. If you look at this, if you got this certain disease, yes, I'm reading my notes. I want to make sure I get everything clear. So if you look at this chart right here, just sit there and look at it. Look, the root cause at the bottom, it comes from leaky gut, or you know, if you lack certain vitamins, especially vitamin D. Yes, I keep talking about this, but I just wanted to make sure that I reiterate this and I get it to you. Look, the root cause. So if you have any hormone imbalance, you know, if you're dealing with anger, resentment, fear, like toxic emotions, inflammatory imbalances, structural imbalances, toxic chemical exposure, detoxification imbalances, immune imbalances, digestive absorption, well, I can't even say the microbiology imbalances. These are root causes. These root causes right here, look, comes from leaky gut, or it comes from something else like a vitamin deficiency. Look, and you see the diseases. So if you read any of the diseases, if you're obese, if you got obesity, fibromyalgia, diabetes, cancer, heart disease, any autoimmune disease, arthritis, listen, check and make sure you got leaky gut. If you go ahead and correct leaky gut, once you correct the leaky gut, and then after you correct your leaky gut, what you want to do is you want to get some probiotics. And probiotics, I'm going to show you what probiotics are. You look on the screens, probiotics is, you definitely want fermented food. Please get you some fermented food unless you do it yourself. Yes, fermented food is the key. You definitely want to get the fermented foods, because it makes no sense you're out here suffering and making these diseases worse instead of correcting them. Look, our body heals itself. Our body heals itself. Your body heals itself. Why are we suffering? Why are we suffering? Plenty of herbs. I can send you all the herbs. Look, I can give you the L-glutamine. You have slippery elm. You have aloe vera. You have marshmallow, licorice root. I can give you all these herbs, right? But if we don't heal the leaky gut, give you something to clear the parasites, these issues are going to stay, and it's going to keep reoccurring. We don't want them recurring. We don't want those diseases up top to get worse. Apple cider vinegar. I keep preaching apple cider vinegar. No, I don't own any rights, but this will help you with leaky gut. And I'm going to show you some other things that you can do with leaky gut. But this is the main baby. A capful in the morning, a capful in the evenings. Look, it helps. It helps. Same thing with peppermint oil. Yes, there's so many things that help.
Look how long your intestines are. So look, if your intestines is this long, I mean as tall as me, I am only 5'3". Now, if your intestines is over 6 feet long, how long do you think it takes to clean it out, to get it corrected, get it all well, and no issues? Well, look, so if you need to take the apple cider vinegar or the 1 drop of peppermint essential oil, look, the peppermint essential oil, take it for just a week. Don't play with the peppermint essential oil, it's very powerful. But the apple cider vinegar, oh, do that for at least a month. In the morning and in the night on an empty stomach. I talk about it all the time. So look at your intestines. Take a look at this. This is how long your intestines are. And this is, then you could just imagine how long it's going to take to correct it.
Things that help you correct your issues, and then after you correct those issues, then you go with the fermented foods. Yes, you want to take a probiotic, you want to take a prebiotic, and you definitely want to take some digestive enzymes to go ahead and correct that. And you guys, look, that water, I know I keep talking about water because you have to poop. If you find yourself not pooping, look, if you find yourself not pooping, call somebody, get yourself going. Look, just want to just reiterate that. If you have any of these issues, go ahead and stop. Like I said, stop and just get it corrected. Just try it. Just do the apple cider vinegar or the peppermint essential oil, just one drop of peppermint essential oil or the apple cider vinegar, drop in 6 to 8 ounces of water as soon as you wake up, four ounces at when you go to sleep, and just drink a whole bunch of water, half your body weight throughout the day. Just wanted to do that quick video, just a shout out to you about leaky gut, because look, it's no joke, tears up your entire body. If you look at this, leaky gut affects the whole body. Your skin, you get acne, all these different things, joint pain. Look, uh, your adrenals, your colon, your sinuses, your mouth, your thyroids, look, your brain. Leaky gut affects everything. If this slide doesn't get you, I don't know what will. But please correct your leaky gut and correct it now. I'm Herbalist Viola. You guys have a wonderful day. Leave comments in the bottom. Leave comments. I will answer your comments about the leaky gut. All right. You guys have a good day. Bye.